So here we are inside the Mandalika MotoGP Street Circuit.
You thought you are too fat for it.
Kita udah setting nih 60 km.
60?
Iya.
60 saja.
It's only for the have fun
Okay.
and experience.
Okay, let's do an interview. Where are you from, sir?
Pakistan. I'm
Pakistan?
proudly representing Pakistan on the new MotoGP in Lombok. Can you read this for me?
I'll charge you extra for translation. It will be your responsibility. So you are signing a contract of death?
Yeah.
Death will, yeah.
Death warrant.
Can you transfer all your money to my bank first before? Let's go!